Hello all, welcome to MES e-learning channel. In the previous session, we have discussed about the development of Western art. In the continuity of it, in this session, we will be discussing about the development of Western art from Indian and Western perspective. In the 19th and 20th century, we saw the rise of modernism in Western art, which challenged traditional forms and embraced some new styles and techniques in the art form. Modernist artists such as Pablo Picasso, Henri Matisse and Jackson Pollock, they experimented with abstraction form of art and surrealism and other innovative styles developed by them. In modern times, Western art has undergone significant changes and various new art forms have emerged. The influence of non-Western art can be seen in the work of various artists who were inspired by African and Asian art. If we talk about contemporary Western artists, they have also made significant contribution to the art world using a wide range of mediums and styles. These are some of the abstract paintings or abstract art by the artists, various artists. The development of art in India and the Western world have taken different paths which was followed, influenced by their respective culture, social and historical context. As we can see, Indian art, it has a long and rich history that spans over 5,000 years, and it has been influenced by various religions such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Islam, and has been shaped by our country's diverse culture, our social and economic context. Some of the key periods in the development of Indian art that includes Indus Valley Civilization, Mauryan Empire period, the Gupta Empire and the Mughal Empire period. Indian art is known for its intricate design, vivid colors and elaborate motifs, as we can see in the Madhubani art, Varli art, sculpture and architecture. It is characterized by the use of various media such as sculpture, painting, textiles and ceramics. Indian art has also been influenced by the country's rich literary tradition with many works of art that has been inspired by Hindu mythology and their religious text. Now, if we talk about Western art, it has its root in ancient Greece and Rome and has been shaped by various historical, cultural and social movements. It encompasses a wide range of artistic styles including Renaissance period, Baroque period, Rococo period, Neoclassical, Romanticism, Realism, Impressionism, Modernism and Postmodernism period. Now, as we saw in the Renaissance period, which took place between the 14th and 17th centuries, it marked a significant period in the development of Western art, and it was characterized by a renewed interest in its classical art, literature and philosophy. The development of art in India and the Western world has been shaped by their respective culture, social aspect, their historical context. Both traditions have produced rich and diverse artistic styles that continue to inspire and influence artists today. Now, if we talk about the difference between the Indian and the Western art, now the subject matters of Indian art mostly comprised of portrait of human image, mythological gods and goddesses and their portraits. It can be said that Indian art is hugely inclined towards religion. Unlike Indian art, the subject matters of Western art mainly comprises of beautiful and picturesque landscape, engraving and portraits. So we can say that Western art is less religious in nature than Indian art. Indian and Western art remain different at several key points, both the subject matter, the methods of production, the role of artist and audience, and even the ways in which art historians approach and categorize the field. So far we have discussed about the development of art from Indian and Western perspective. So now we have the clear-cut idea about how the development of art takes place in Indian context and in the Western context. So you can compare, you can find the similarity and difference between the various art forms that have been emerged in Indian and the Western context. I hope you like the session. Thank you.